I need to get my ECFMG certification, but I'm not sure if I will meet all the requirements.
Okay, but first, have you fulfilled the clinical and communication skills requirements?
Yes, I have completed those.
Great. That's an essential step. Next, make sure you are not barred by ECFMG. Any issues there?
No, I don't think so. I have followed all the guidelines.
Excellent. Now, have you submitted ECFMG certification application?
Yes, I have submitted it a few weeks ago.
Perfect. Lastly, have you ever registered for USMLE step or step component?
Well, no, not yet.
No worries if you have never registered for the USMLE step before, you will need to apply for the registration for exam. Once you have done that, you will be on track.
Oh, okay. So, even without a previous step registration, can I still pursue ECFMG certification through a pathway?
Exactly, Arun. The pathway is available for those who haven't registered for the USMLE step before. Just get started with the exam registration and you will be well on your way.
Great. Thanks for clarifying, Kanika.
You're welcome, Arun. If you have any more questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to InspireIMG.